Hi friends, this is Ruben here, and I'm just making myself comfortable. So this is one of my sort of videos where to forget things, what's happening around, and just keep going the best way to do and keep ourselves smooth. Hearing the newses, hearing the media, logging onto mobiles, seeing a lot of things, searching for some positives, but not so satisfied with what we are seeing around. So what's happening is happening, it's not in our hand, but keep going would be the first choice. That's what I think every moment. And I wish to all my friends, colleagues, coordinates, businessmen, hoteliers, travel agents, government, hospitals. The trend is keep changing on. The mentality of the people changing. Our own mentalities are changing, and every nook and corner of the world is facing a similar difficulty, like how the economy is getting crippled. Forgetting about the economy, the first thing what we need to think is how to keep ourselves away from the stress. Stress is more dangerous than anything. So how do I keep my stress out? When we are related with media, visuals, it's quite difficult. We can't always see videos, we can't always see suggestions and informations. Gathering information itself is becoming a disease. Too much of information, we cannot keep it with ourselves. So I felt going back to the basics, like how in LKG, UKG, going back to A, B, C, D. The happier are the moments. So it is like sharpening ourselves, our skills is more important. Don't know what would be the right opportunity upcoming front, but looking out for new opportunities, gaining things, getting the knowledge converted into money is becoming a very challenging during all times. So as I'm into hotel industry for quite a long, about plus 15 plus years, it's become my bread and butter. The industry is getting crippled is what the information. People are not moving, flights are not getting on, but keeping hopes alive, there are a lot of hotels that opened, a lot of online portals have opened, and every day getting new informations about the upgradations and about the new opportunity people coming into the industry, um, getting technology as a tool. There are a lot of things happening in and around. So gaining those informations, I wish each and every person in this hospitality industry, this is the time to sharpen our skills and keep going. Forget about the negatives. Read books. Keep the basics perfect. God bless us all. Thank you.